I am Ignacio. We are back to the San Bernardino National Forest. We're going to Lytle Creek. I'm going to show you different spots this time. I was here last month and I show you step-by-step directions, driving directions to get here. Don't forget to buy your parking pass at the 76 gas station. Enter this on Google Maps, Rio Bonita Falls, and it will take you to this same spot. I know this is not Bonita Falls, it is nearby. You can click on the link if you want to watch the video, but that's how it is on Google Maps, Rio Bonita Falls, and it will take you to this very same spot. Besides graffiti, there's another big problem here. I mentioned it last time, and I will mention it again. Trash. Please, do not leave anything behind. On my way out, I pick up a lot of trash. The problem is that people are not respecting nature, and also there's no dumpsters in here. So bring some bags with you and take it with you. I actually had to drive like 3 miles to find the dumpster. I'll show you later. From my car, I walked about 15 minutes down the creek and I found all of this. The best time to visit this place is during the late spring and summer, because in winter the currents could be too strong and dangerous, and also there could be flash floods during the rainy season. Please be extra careful. I highly recommend that you go and explore. The further away you get from the road, you will find places that are less crowded. Dogs are welcome, but please make sure you clean after themselves. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna get back on the road and drive for about 1 mile. Once you see this landmark on the left that looks like a pyramid rock, we're gonna drive for 2/10 of a mile and pull over where you can. From where you park your car, it will take you literally 5 minutes and you will find the creek. Once I reached the creek, I went to the left with the current for about 1.2 miles to show you all the beautiful rock pools that you can find. You don't have to do the whole hike, but I want to show it to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the little bell. That way you won't miss any of my adventures. Thank you for your support. This was a weekday on a Thursday around 11 in the morning. That's why you don't see many people. Come here on a weekend, for sure you have plenty of company. Remember the rock I showed you when we were driving? This will give you an idea where we are. Today the temperature was about 95 degrees and it was expected to be even hotter than that. So getting in the water was a must. Most of the rock pools are not so deep, maybe 2 or 3 feet. They're perfect for the whole family, especially the kids. They will love it. It is really nice to find followers on my path. Thank you so much, Shiomara. This place is awesome. You can swim, you can chill, relax, or explore, whatever you please. But remember, do not leave any trash behind. Thank you. This place is perfect to cool off on a hot summer day. Which rock pool is your favorite so far? Look, I found the perfect spot to take a break. If you're interested in buying any of my gear, like this hammock, my water shoes, the water case I use for my phone, my hiking boots, or any hiking gear or backpacking gear, you can find it on the link that I'm gonna leave on the description of the video. It helps a lot to my channel if you do buy stuff on that link. Thank you so very much for your support. And then you will start to notice more people. That is because we are getting closer to the tunnels. That is the most popular spot on this place. You'll see, I'll show you in a moment. And then you can go back to your car either through the road, which is 1 mile, and if you go through the creek, it's 1.2 miles about. The difference is that in the road you will be hot, and if you go back through the creek, you get the chance to get in the water again. You choose. I took some trash with me and actually put it inside my car, and I had to drive like an extra couple of miles to the Bonita Fall parking lot so I can finally put it on its place. By the way, this is the only place that you will find restrooms as well as the gas station after you exit the freeway. So please, if you visit because you watch my video, bring a plastic bag with you and take your trash with you, or bring it to this bin. Thank you so much, I really appreciate that. Click on the links that are going to appear on the screen to keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time.